Welcome guys, so today I'm with Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 speaker and I'm gonna show you how easy you can perform hard reset of this device. So as you can see, I'm right now connected with my Android smartphone. The speaker is also turned on, and to perform the hard reset we have to click and hold on the Bluetooth button and the volume up button together until this indicator just power off, and we will also get notification sound. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. You can also take a look on the smartphone connection. Right now we can release, and then we can power on by tapping on the power button. As you can see right now, the speaker is automatically in the Bluetooth pairing mode. It means that we successfully restore all default settings, and right now when I try to use the previously connected device, as you can see, I will get the new pairing request. So it means that we successfully restore default settings and we delete all previously connected devices from our speaker. So as you can see, that was very simple. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.